Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, we'll teach you how to give away a PDF lead magnet on your blog. Step 1 is to create a value-packed lead magnet. This should be geared towards your ideal customer or target market and should be something that solves a problem for them. Lead magnets can include checklists, cheat sheets, quizzes, and more. Step 2 is to get started with OptinMonster. The best way to deliver this PDF on your blog is with OptinMonster. Once you've gotten your account, you'll need to create a campaign and start editing. With OptinMonster's drag and drop builder, you can create the campaign you always envisioned in just a matter of clicks. Remember to speak directly to your target market. Step 3 is to configure how to deliver your PDF. The two main ways we recommend delivering is through an automatic download, where you configure the action for your button to redirect to a new URL. And here you'll paste in your PDF download link from wherever you're hosting your PDF. A second option is to trigger an email send out from your email marketing service provider. And in this case, you would configure the action to go to the success view to let your email subscribers know to check for your PDF in their inbox. And your fourth simple step is to embed your opt-in form on your website. With OptinMonster on WordPress, in one simple click, you'll have your campaign up and running on your site and working for you. Before you go, don't forget to sign up for our free gift to you, 12 proven ways to convert abandoning visitors into subscribers. Learn how to unlock the highest revenues from each of your website visitors.